made it home. Got Taco Bell. Here, eat some of that with y'all and chat. Oh man, my son is very. Hold on. Okay, there. My son is very picky, so I actually had macadamia nut today, the cookie, and that's my favorite cookie. Did Grayson love it? No. So I'm like, I'm over this pregnancy. I need all my taste buds to get strong. So what do we get from Taco Bell? I got the nacho fries. No, I was wanting the nacho fries. Of course, it's only limited the time that they sell the fries. I got the nacho chips and the cheese sauce. And my order also came with 3 Supremes. And then also my sauces I love is the mild sauce. So if you guys are curious like what is like my go-to Taco Bell order when they don't have the fries, I get the Supremes, of course, and then the chips. And then if they do have the nacho fries, I just get the Supremes. Supremes is blessing. And then the fries or the Nacho Bel Grande and fries. So, let's say I have Grace. I know, I'm about to say my Grace, but hold on. So good. Listen. Now it's time for Ulta haul. The first item I picked up at Ulta was the new e.l.f. Liquid Cameo Blush. e.l.f. Cameo New Liquid Blush. And I picked up the shade Bronze Bombshell. I'm a little excited, and I'm also like, because I'm not a liquid blush type of girl. I'm more of a powder blush girl. I can just do a little dab, boop, 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 let it go, keep on going without the, throughout your day. It's supposed to be a high pigmented formula, so I'm like, maybe I need to look at some reviews before I actually do a review on myself and see the proper way to use it. Next I got is these came out last year. This is the Bite Size Eyeshadow Truffles. And of course you guys know I'm a neutral girly. And this brown, this dark brown in here caught my eye a little bit. It is in a palette shade called Truffles. Yeah, in Truffles. So this is one in Truffles. And it's also from e.l.f. The next big thing that I really wanted to purchase. Oh, it's a truck outside. e.l.f. Cameo Hydrating CC Cream, the new one. And yeah, so this is the full coverage, long lasting, dewy finish. e.l.f. Cameo Hydrating CC Cream. This is the one that I purchased, y'all. And it was right in front of this display. Like as soon as you come to the store, it was right in front, and also the blush was right in front. So I figured that was like the newest one. And the other one, I think the one last year was all black, the packaging. So yeah, I'm excited because I have new products to review. And hey y'all, happy St. Patrick's Day. Today is Sunday, and I got my green on, and I'm getting ready to order my drink from Starbucks. Yes, I would like to have a large white mocha latte ice, and also a little warm banana bread.
Banana bread?
Uh-huh.
Anything else for you?
And that'll be all.
Alright. That'll be 11:45.
Okay, thank you. That's usually my go-to order. Whenever I go to Starbucks. See us in here. Get my Starbucks. Today I'm just gonna be going to do laundry, and then after that, I think I'm just gonna go home. Don't really have that much to cook. I'm a little nausea right now. Third trimester been getting the crap out of me. Look at that. But yeah, I got a little green makeup look going on today. And I said, while I'm doing my clothes, I could be having some sweet in my body, or just something to get through. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Just go home and do some laundry. Thank you. Bye, you too. Got my order. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. What y'all been up to? I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support that I've been having this whole entire pregnancy. I'm 30 weeks today. 30 weeks. Yes. And May is coming. May is on its way. And I am just excited, ready, but it's just like, oh my gosh, I'm about to push out a whole human in May. Like, that's just the reality I have in my mind right now. But I just want to say thank you guys so much throughout this whole pregnancy. Internet aunties, uncles, online folks, offline folks. I just want to say thank y'all. Currently about to do some work, just kind of like finish up work here and going through my planner a little bit, just kind of like seeing, you know, what was my little, you know, keep my milestones and the pregnancy, because that's what you need to do. Keep up with everything, y'all. This is what's really hitting me, that I'm getting ready to be a home mama. I know I saved. Oh, look when you was just a little bean. This is when I first seen him on camera, like ultrasound. He was so little, look. And then compared to my last appointment, oh, man, look at that. Okay, so this is the third trimester ultrasound versions. Like, little man, you have gotten so big compared to boom. I didn't know who you was. I didn't know who you were. And then boom. That is neat. And then where's the second one? And so this is the second trimester ultrasound pictures, guys. Oh, was this the second? Okay, guys, so it's a Saturday morning, and this vlog is going to be everywhere because I just have to get my gear up. I was recording what it's like during trimesters and stuff like that, third trimester vlog. So this machine here is a cleaning tool. It is the best cleaning tool ever. I've seen it on TikTok. I've seen it, like, it just turns. It's so convenient. I love it. So amazing. My mom got me this. And I'm like, I really need something that'll help clean the bathroom. So I'm gonna have to get on my knees, scrub, like Cinderella style. So I don't really have to do a lot of movement. Like, I can just hold it like this way. A one-hand person job. So towards getting that top, but y'all, where was this when I was going up? Hey y'all, so I just want to show y'all my fit for today. Is Sunday, the week before Easter, Palm Sunday. So this top is from Ross, and these pants are from Roses, and y'all, my feet are swollen. So there's another thing I'm dealing with during a trimester. Third trimester is swollen feet. And I just did like a little promo for Flip because I am going to be doing Flip. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing currently. This is the most grossest thing ever for pregnancy. So I am collecting urine for 24 hours. I have to pee in a pot and I have to collect my urine. So I got that much urine so far and I have to have it stored in somewhere cold. So that's what I'm currently doing at the moment. And I'm going to be doing my skincare routine. Hey peeps, I'm going to be doing my skincare routine with you guys so I can show you guys like what I've been doing, etc., throughout this whole pregnancy. Yes, I'm out of breath as usual. Okay, y'all, so I just, did the urine thing and it's just the grossest thing ever. So I collected my pee. Ugh, it's so gross. So I have it here till I'm ready to store it, but right now, this is too short, like the angle. Y'all, so I just got out of the house and I just noticed like as soon as it's been cloudy all day, but as soon as I get ready to get out the house, it starts to rain. I'm out of breath and I'm like, do I go back in or just get out just to get out? So I think, different sides of the sound, you may not have those rain clouds, but near where I live, we get rain. Big time. So I'm going to head to my mom's house and get some stuff, and then I'm going to be doing my clothes because I definitely need to do clothes, laundry, trying to get out the way. I'm out of breath, y'all. This thing about third trimester and the more out of breath you are, the more tired you are, is real. Real. Because as you can see, I look tired, but I got freshened up. I did my skincare routine, face glowing, but this is part of being pregnant. Hey y'all, so I'm currently at the doctor's office waiting for my doctor to come in so we can get update on baby Grace and see how he's doing. Excuse my hands, but yeah, baby Grace, see how he's going, see what the update is and how well he's developing. I don't know what they're gonna do right there. I'm a little nervous, but we shall see.